This video is for absolute beginners at 3D printing. I mean absolute beginners. People who just don't know nothing, they don't know about ST files, G files, G blah blah blah, they don't know anything about it. So I'm just going to run you through a little routine that you have to do when you're designing a little box with a hole in it. So you click on AutoCAD 1, 2, 3. Go up to the top there and you select a box. Right, that box is 20 by 20. The measurements are at the bottom. Now I want to put a hole in it. Right, I'm going to make that hole 3 mil. Right, and I'm going to make it, because it's 20, it needs to go straight through. I'm going to say 50. That's a big one. Bring that down, click on your mouse, go up to that thing that looks like a horseshoe. It's a magnet. Now that's going to go into the centre of that box. I'm clicking on the top and then click straight into there. Now I'm going to go straight through the middle, dragging it through with the mouse. Stop. I'm happy. You can extrude it, you can do a lot of things, but you can do what they call subtract, which is there. You want to keep the box, but you don't want the tube. Click on the box first, and then the tube, and then go click. You've got a hole in it. Now we're going to save that. We're going to save that to our computer. I go down here. Right, I'll just put H, just for hole. Doesn't matter about that. H1A or H1. Press save. Now I'll go top again, and we want to go into where it says export as 3D. So you need STL file. Click on that. That's how if you want it really fine, but we're just doing coarse, right? Click on that. Okay, now we've got to rename this one again, because one has gone to our computer as the box itself. Now this is a file called the STL. So I'm going to call that H1A. So we know the difference between the two. Click on that, save. Okay, we're going to come out of that now. Click on there, exit, save again. That's it. You've got a box with a hole in it. Now we go up to the Prusa slicer. This is where people don't understand. They think it's a program, a special program. It's not, it's a slicer. There are lots of slicers out there, but the 3 machines I'm going to have a Prusa slicer on that. But you can download the Prusa slicer if you've got any other printer. So we click on this box up here where it says add. So we find our file there where it says, can you see it there? H1A. We know that is an STL file. That is an STL file we're looking for to go into there. Press open. There's our box. Right, we go down to the bottom. You click on there, which is saying splice now. I've spliced it, right? Now it says there, export Gcode. Okay, Gcode. All right, there we go up to here. That box is going to, with the 3S, it's going to print in 16 minutes. It's going to take 16 minutes. So press save. Got it? Go up to the top and we close the slicer. Now it says, do you want to save the changes, blah, blah, blah. No. So decline. So we go over here. We go to the bottom and we'll find where it says files. Click on there. And there is our file. So what we do, get down to the bottom, we'll have to take out the SD card there, take it out, Don't drop it on the floor, stupid boy. Drop it on the floor. There's the card. Right. Put that in there, in the side, and it should come up there. The card. It knows there's a card in there, a removable card. So what we'll do, we'll go down here. There's the removable card there. So we're going to get that file there. We're going to click in it, click on it, hold it over there, and then it should appear on the card, which is, what did I call it? H1. They are there. There it is. There it is there. H1. It's going to be print. It takes 16 minutes to print, and it's going to be printed. It's set up for the Prusa 3S. Right? No other printer. You have to get that right. Right. So we come out of there. What we do, we click on. Where's it gone? Eject. Right? Eject. Don't just drag it out your computer. Right, we'll eject it. Put it out there now. With this Prusa, it goes upside down. So put that in there. It's really awkward doing it like that. We put that in there. Turn on the printer. Oops, sorry about that silly noise. They turn on the printer. Just turn on the printer at the back. And it's telling me Prusa OK. Why that has come up is because I've got more than 100 files on that card. So it's more or less telling me I'm at the maximum for that card. I think that's what it means. That's the temperature of the that's the temperature of the bed, and that's the temperature of the nozzle, which is under there. This is for absolute beginners, so please don't start saying we know all about that. So what we do, you press on there, you go down where it says print from SD, click on that, and there is your file that we had, the H1 1A. I have done that for one particular person only who is thinking of investing in a printer. They're brilliant machines. They're only as good as what you put into them, like anything, like any computer. Don't expect it to read your mind, because it doesn't do that. I'm going to turn up a printer now. I don't want that on. Anyway, I hope that has helped someone, especially the person who was talking to me today. I won't mention any names, but he knows who he is. And I hope he does buy a printer, because he'll have some good fun. And you can download from Thingiverse. You just tap in Thingiverse, and you can go into all sorts of different prints. Some people want a donation. Some people just do it for free. But I'll leave you there then. Nothing else I can say. What I will do is when you do all that, what we've just done, and we get down to the file, which needs to go into the printer, on the MK4, it's what you can send it wirelessly. So you don't have to pull out that card. There's no card. There is one there, because people might not be able to put the wireless connection up, or might not be able to rig it up, but it is easy. So that would be the same as the 3. So you'd pull that out, put that in your computer, load your file on, put it back in, and that's how that works. But you can see that if I can turn this one on, it will come up as wireless. I'm not going to do any printing, but you'll see a little logo. Should come up in a second. There you are. You see it there? Oh, there's it. It comes on and goes off that little one there. Everybody knows what that means, I should imagine. So yeah, I am gonna leave it there now, and that's it. See you later. Happy printing, and buy one. Just buy one. You can build them yourself. I built this one myself. People who watch my other videos, they'll probably know, oh yeah, he built that one himself. And that one, and that one. I'm not showing off. I just thought I do like Prusa printers. You can buy cheaper ones, but as they say, you get what you pay for. And they are super quality. I don't get paid by Prusa either, so don't get thinking I'm saying it just so I can get some sales or get some kickbacks. I don't get a penny. But yes, if you are going to get a printer, I can recommend these. I can't recommend anything else because I don't know much about them. All I know is you can get cheaper ones, and that's entirely up to you. But you can use the Prusa slicer in your machine. A lot of people don't know that, and it's set up for different filaments. So okay, I am going to go. Bye.